Hey y'all, welcome to my channel where I try out recipes that I found and let you know if it's actually worth your time and money. So today we are going to be doing a cinnamon apple pull-apart bread. Never made pull-apart bread before, so we'll see how this goes. I'm excited though, it looks really good. The total time says 2 hours, which makes me a little skeptical because I feel like when working with bread, 2 hours is like the minimum. We'll see if I can do this in 2 hours. So for the ingredients that I will be needing today, the dough consists of flour, water, instant yeast, salt, butter, sugar, and honey. For the filling, it's soft brown sugar, unsalted butter, cinnamon powder, and 1 apple. And then for the glaze, I'll just be needing milk, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract, which is just a simple dimple little glaze. I did have to read into the recipe of what kind of apple would be best for this, because certain apples give you certain results. They said Fuji, Granny Smith, Gala, Pink Lady, Honeycrisp, etc. So that means all apples? I don't know. They just said sweet and tart. So I guess that's all apples. You just choose whichever one you like the most, I guess. I went with a Honeycrisp because I like those ones. So let's get started and see how this turns out. So starting off, we got to get a cup of water, of lukewarm water, so that our yeast is able to activate. With 1 cup, dash 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to take that as a cup and 2 tablespoons, which this has the measurements for in grams, so you can weigh it out, which would probably be better to do because it'd be more accurate, but I don't have the patience to do that. So we're going to keep on going. All right, 2nd tablespoon. Teaspoon of active dry yeast. Oh, it says 1 1/4 teaspoon. Okay. That's kind of weird because it says 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Oh, that's for instant. I just can't read. Okay. All right, so 1 1/4 for my dumb American ass. Teaspoon of salt with some pepper in there. Why not? Add some color. A tablespoon of honey. So I feel like, I don't know, cinnamon, honey, apple, it's a whole vibe. Why not, rather than using regular granulated sugar? Now we can add the butter. Oh shit, I didn't stir it. I mean, they're pretty much dissolved, I would say. Yeah, they're dissolved. It's fine. We're fine. We can continue. Just 1, 2, 2, and 3/4 cups. Mix this bad boy up. Oh my god, the smell of the yeast is so strong. If you're kneading the dough by hand, transfer the dough onto a clean work surface and knead 5 to 6 minutes. Oh boy. 5 to 6 minutes, let's go. It's arm day today. Oh my god, I feel like it's just getting stickier. Oh my god. It's an easy knead dough, not very sticky. It's not very sticky, guys. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. It's really not sticky at all. Yeah. It's just slightly sticky, okay? It's just slightly sticky in the beginning. Not 4 minutes into kneading. It's just sticky in the beginning. Yeah. At this point, you may be tempted to add more flour, but don't do that. It'll come together about 4 minutes of kneading. Does this look like it's coming together to you guys? The 4 minutes of kneading? It's literally like glue. easy to knead my ass. It literally won't let go of my hand. Ugh. They really said don't add more flour and to trust the process. Well, I've been trusting it for 6 minutes now, and hasn't really changed at all, has it? So I'm gonna add more flour. This is the consistency it should be. When I add flour, what do you know? All right, we're done. Flatten it to form a disc shape and cover it with a bowl or a kitchen towel and let it rest on the counter for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna flip this bowl over on top of it. So while I'm waiting for this to rest in the next like 2 minutes, I'm gonna dice up my apple, which is, I chose a Honeycrisp. Okay, it's been about 5-ish minutes. Now I have to roll out the dough into a thin sheet, around 5 or 6 millimeter thickness. I have no idea how thick that is, so I'm just gonna oh god, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh god damn it. Alright, let me add more flour, because this thing can't handle being touched. I'm not gonna press super hard so that I don't get past that first layer and enter the sticky zone. So now we sprinkle on the sugar and the cinnamon powder. Oh no, spread with butter first. There's gonna be some big things of sugar in there, but whatever. It'll caramelize. And then add our apples. Let's cut this down. Could I have been a bit more even? Probably. This one's kind of massive. But I'll make that the bottom one. Alright. So then stack them. Oh boy. With this sticky mess, how am I going to even lift it? Literally, how am I going to lift it? Okay, I need to do some engineering real quick. How am I going to lift it? And then just pull it. And we'll do that. And then unroll it. You know what? I feel like that kind of actually worked. So that's going to be the technique moving forward. We're going to fold, heave! Oh fuck, it's stuck. Oh god. Okay. Put it on there. Let go of yourself, please. And put the apples back on. Okay, now that we have this monstrosity off to the side, I'm gonna get my pan ready so I can just transfer real quick. So now I have to cut this into 4 more pieces. So again, not super even. And I gotta lift again. Heave it and put it in here. Doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty promising. Alright, so now we gotta proof it for 60 minutes in a warm environment. I'm gonna do this in my air fryer that has a proofing function. Okay, so it has proofed for about 60 minutes, which it does look like it has proofed. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven for 45 to 48 minutes at 350 degrees. I'm really hoping this turns out well. Which, by the way, we are now on hour 3. So the initial time estimation of 2 hours and 5 minutes as the total time is incorrect. All right, so it is done baking in the oven. Smells so good. It smells like a cinnamon roll, essentially, which is kind of what it is, but it smells so good. So I am really hopeful that this is gonna taste amazing. All right, so for the glaze, it's just milk, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. So I'm just gonna combine it all into one little bowl. Whoops. Whoops. That's all right. I personally like a little thicker of a glaze, so I'm gonna add some more powdered sugar. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. She's gooey. She's gooey. Get it all up in the crevices. Let's get a close-up of this. You see the goo? Oh, I love a gooey bread. I mean, come on. Finally, the moment has come. My favorite time is test tasting. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. That pull. Oh, oh my god, it tastes even better. It's like if apple pie, not an apple pie, like an apple turnover and a cinnamon roll had a baby. This is it, and it's so good. I need to stop because I'm gonna sit here and eat this whole thing if I don't. So let me go put this away. So final thoughts on the apple cinnamon pull apart bread. I'm gonna judge based on the time commitment that it takes, the taste, the difficulty level, and then overall, is it worth it? For this one, the time commitment, I would say it's kind of lengthy. I mean, it took me about 3 hours to do it from start to finish. Taste, phenomenal. Phenomenal, amazing, love it, wonderful, stupendous, like a 9 out of 10 for sure. It's just so good. Oh my god, so good. Difficulty level, I would say this may not be for the most novice of bakers, just because with how uncooperative the dough was. I think if you didn't know what to do in that scenario, it could have turned out to have been kind of a mess. And also, I feel like working with bread in general as a novice is not, it's not the easiest thing to do. It's like its own beast. If you are a novice baker and you're looking for a challenge, I would say this is probably okay to do. But otherwise, I'd say like beginner / intermediate level skill set. If you can make a cinnamon roll, you can make this. Now, overall, is it worth it? 1000% yes. 1000% yes. So what, it took 3 hours. It's so good. It's so freaking good. And I can guarantee you, me and my husband are gonna down that thing in the next 2 hours. So this is not gonna last long in this household, I'll tell you that right now. So with that being said, because it's so good and turned out so amazingly, it will be featured on my website, which is buonabakes.com. So if you'd like to try it out yourself, you can go there and print out the recipe and give it a go. So with that, I just want to thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting that like button, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and follow Buonabakes on Instagram and TikTok as well. And of course, let me know what you think of this recipe in the comments. If you try it out, please let me know as well how it went for you, because I would love to know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!